Hey Hot Wheel fans, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the coolest and most collectible Hot Wheel cars out there. Today we are looking at the real gem, the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX from the Ultra Hot series. Let's get into it. The specific model is part of Ultra Hot series known for its premium features and collector's appeal. And guess what? I bought 2 packs of these cars, one to keep carded and one to open and show you guys. Let's open it and see. I already tried to open it with the nail polish remover, but I failed again. First off, look at the stunning purple paint job with the custom graphics, guys. It really makes the car pop and stand out in any collection. The Ultra Hot series is famous for its high quality finishes and it doesn't disappoint actually. You can see the intricate detailing on the body and the base, making it a true representation of classic Skyline. Another feature that sets up Ultra Hots apart is the speciality of the wheels and tires. They are designed not just for play but for display, giving the car an authentic and realistic look. The metal body and the base at the car have durability. You are holding a premium product, guys. If you see here, the intercooler is exposed, guys, so the detailing here is extremely good. You can see the headlights are painted and I like the paint job very much. Here if you see the tail light, they are also painted in a very good color and it looks pretty actually. Let's talk about the interior of this car. I'm not sure whether you are able to see, but this car interior is just of one seat and there is no other seat in the car. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it's a right hand drive and you can see a detailing of gearbox inside. That's it. And the paint job of this Ultra Flames looks very good. Now let's get a bit of history of this car. The Nissan Skyline 2000 GT-X, also known as Hakasuka in Japan, is an iconic model from 1970s. It's beloved for its performance and sleek design, making it favorite among car collectors alike. Having this model in Ultra Horse series is a tribute to the legendary status in terms of collectability. The Ultra Hot series is a must-have for any serious collector. The attention to detail, the quality of materials, overall aesthetic make a car highly sought after. Plus, the Nissan Skyline, with the historical significance and stylish design, is a standout piece in the series. It's a perfect blend of history, design, and quality. You can add this piece in your collection, guys. If you really love collecting cars, this one you can go for. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.